Hey friends, so friends, I'm going to be picking the winner right now. So exciting. So I'm on this website. Where is it? YouTube picker commentpicker.com. And then I have to go get the copy the URL, paste it in here, and then I press this button. Okay. There we go. And then it says I'm supposed to start this. So let's see if this works. So 1, 2. Why did they put it over there? Anyways. The winner. Ooh, Michelle Drake, you are the winner.
Congratulations, Michelle. I know you already know you're the winner because I did put it up in the community section of YouTube. And thank you guys so much. I haven't got through all the comments yet. I'm going to go through that tonight. But oh my goodness, I went through some of them and I'm amazed at your guys' support. I am so blessed. We are so blessed. Thank you so much for commenting and letting us know why you like our channel, because that definitely does help me out to let me know what I should keep doing. Thank you, friends. We love you. Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute, simple hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and friends, all of the ingredients that I use in the spray bottle as well as all the products I use in this video will be in the description box below. And now I'm going to create like a U-shaped part, and I'm using the arch of her eyebrow as my guide on both sides. And then I stopped right at the top of her head, like right in the middle, and I just created that other part going across. And here's what my part looks like, and as you can see, it looks like a U-shaped part. So now I'm just going to use some of the control paste, and that U-shaped part that's left out, I'm going to put that in a ponytail, and I'm putting the control paste on her edges. And then I'm just going to spray her hair with the spray bottle a little bit, just because her hair is getting a bit dry. And now I'm going to detangle her hair with the wide tooth comb. And I'm just using my detangle brush. I like to use this when I feel like my wide tooth comb hasn't got all the knots out, just so that it makes the ponytail nice and smooth. And you can't really tell right now, but I am pulling that ponytail closer to the right side. I want it close to her forehead as possible to one side. You could do it to the left side if you want, but see how I have that. It's not right directly in the middle of that part. It's closer to the right side. And now I'm just grabbing some of the flaxseed gel that I made, and I'll leave a link in the description box to how I make this, and I'm going to add it to this ponytail just to get some nice defined curls. And I did section her hair off and add the gel. I didn't just directly put it onto that ponytail, but I did make sure that her hair was detangled and had moisture added. And then I added the flaxseed gel. I tried not to add a lot in this video because usually I add so much. And then in this video, I used the denim brush just to help define those curls. If you haven't seen my video about this brush and how it does help define the curls, please check that out. I'll have a link in the description box for you. So friends, after that part, I did realize that I should get that back ponytail up first, just so that I'm not messing up those defined curls at that ponytail at the top there, just so that I don't have to put it in a clip just to keep it out of the way while I get that back ponytail out. So friends, I do suggest that you do that back ponytail first before you define those curls at the top ponytail there. So before I got this ponytail in, I did spray her hair with the spray bottle a little bit, and now I am just detangling her hair with the wide tooth comb. And now I'm just using the control paste on her edges before I get that ponytail in. And now I'm going to use my soft bristle brush. You guys see me use this plenty of times when I'm getting a ponytail in, just to smooth out her edges. It does an amazing job at doing that. See that here? Amazing. And then I felt like I needed to use my detangler brush just to get those knots out that my wide tooth comb couldn't get out. And again, just to make that ponytail more smooth. And now I'm gonna create a bun in this ponytail. So I grabbed my bun maker and I put it on like so. And then now I'm just spreading out the hair. You wanna spread out the hair evenly around as best as you possibly can. And then I just grabbed a nice tight elastic to fit around that bun just so that it holds it. I use one that is that's pretty much brand new, not one that's been stretched out, because I find that doesn't hold the hair nice and snug. And now, as you can see, I am tucking the hair underneath the bun. And friends, you will notice that it's not, I just did my best in tucking the hair underneath. I didn't, you know, get it as perfect as I would want it to be, but yeah, I did my best, so do your best, friends. And then I grabbed some ball elastics and I'm just gonna put those all around the bun. So friends, I thought it'd be better if you just watch how I do it rather than how I explain it, because my explanation was not very good, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch it. So friends, you notice how there's a little bit of hair out on the left side of the screen. Anyways, I grabbed my rat tail comb and I just used the end just to tuck it underneath there as best as possible. So now I'm back to adding flaxseed gel to this part of the ponytail. And since I had one of these ball elastics left, I decided to put it in last minute. If I knew I was gonna do that before, I would have did that before I did put the flaxseed gel in this ponytail. But anyways, I did add that in to this ponytail. And now again, I'm just gonna use some of the control paste just to clean up those edges. So my friends, there you have it, another cute hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. And friends, I know she has some white stuff in her hair, but I did take a picture about an hour after this tutorial just to show you that it does disappear. The white stuff does not stay there. And yeah, I'm gonna insert it here. My friends, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.